Welcome now to the last chance qualifier for the Monsturd Truck Rally. This is it. The rest of the trucks have one more chance to get in. Top 8, you're in the main. Everyone else has to pack their shit for next track. It's going to be 15 laps to determine who is worthy. Here's our lineup with Curbio on the pole, leading them down today. Here they go. Green, 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 green flag at the last chance qualifier. They're going to get very aggressive early on. Look at this 3-wide maneuver by Willie Stroker. Look out because School Bus is here as well. But Howard Pavilion fights back on the inside to try to make the main take the lead here. Oh shit. Travis Scott fell back. Up Force and Razor going side by side. That's for 97 fell way back on the start. Look at this clump going into the final jump. Pavilion falls back. School Bus falling to second as Curbio of all trucks take off. Willie Stroker losing a bit of ground there. As the top trucks take off. Billy Mays, the first truck on the outside looking in, has to get around somebody to make it. Is it going to be the 61? Willie Stroker trying to hold off. There's a School Bus in second. Howard Pavilion kind of dropping a lot of spots here after losing that battle with Curbio. See the jump take place. Whoa. Cutting it close between Pavilion and Iris right there. That's the 52 of Razor entering the picture. Trying to get himself into the main. Still Willie Stroker in 8th. There's Curbio out there, blinded by the dirt. Willie Stroker might try to make a pass on Up Force here, but Razor not that fast around that turn. That could be interesting with these four all going at it. Up Force just has having all the speed right now, getting by who he needs to get by to get through. They're definitely switching it up though. Oh shit. Close quarters racing around the point where it needs to take place. Wide Putin just kind of riding around 10th waiting for his moment. That others looking for more. I think Billy Mays trying to sneak one up the inside. The 7 getting a shot right where he needs to be. This is dangerous for Willie Stroker. As above all, needs to get the spot back, but plenty of time. Whoa! The 15 is wrecked out of the lead. What happened to Curbio? Oh my gosh. Chat, play that back. Curbio just got wrecked out of the lead. Oh, with School Bus. Man, so early on, Curbio and School Bus battling for the lead, and Curbio just gets a bit too aggressive there on School Bus. School Bus keeps it going. As now Howard Pavilion inherits the lead. Oh man, that's going to cost Curbio so much track position. As the 15 truck gets it rolling back in 19th place. Oh god. First caution of the day, and that's going to be costly for Curbio's chances at the main. That 19 has so many spots to make up, I don't think it's possible. Got Bendy Straw sitting 15th, Travis Scott 14th, Fire Truck, Turn 11, Donald Trump, Wenda, and Wide Putin all sitting on the outside looking in. As Willie Stroker and Billy Mays both in now. As Howard Pavilion now leads the field to a restart with Miku Nakano behind. For second. School Bus third, Iris fourth, and Upforce rounding out the top five. Let's get it back to green. Green flag back in the air. School Bus has some unfinished business to take care of, but the top two, nice and steady so far. A bit more battling midfield here as Willie Stroker trying to get around Billy Mays as Upforce and Iris do battle for fourth. I think Willie Stroker's going to get it right here. Battle for seventh. Wide Putin back there just doesn't seem like he's able to close it the distance. As Upforce comes swinging in the outside lane. Look at this run by the 99, just taking 2 spots like a champ. Really good at these tracks with jumps. Upforce is. Iris back to fourth. The School Bus actually lost positions there in the exchange, as he's going to lose another one to 52 of Razor. Wide Putin, something happened to Billy Mays, is now Wide Putin now has that 8th spot right now. I'll have to see what happens when they come across the jump here. School Bus going way to the outside. Doing battle with Razor as Howard Pavilion takes off for the lead. Billy Mays sitting 9th. Caution's out. Caution is out. There's a moment of caution. We're going to stack them up again. There are several cars that pass by. Caution is out for so Curbio again not having the best time, and then Hampter just runs into Joey Ogon and they both spin out back there. Oof. As they get back to the line, top 11 were able to race it out, but not much after that. Alright, 4-lap shootout. Dead Mouse sits 15th, Travis Scott 14th, Turn 11th, 13th, Fire Truck 12th, Donald Trump 11th, Wenda in 10th, and Billy Mays in 9th. So Wide Putin and the gang have to hold off for 4 more laps. Next caution, they probably won't have enough time for a restart, so this will be the last one. Make it count. Pavilion has done good so far. Just needs to get another good restart, and he's in the clear. Green, 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 green. And the restart's back out. Look at up force. Wasting no time at all looking around. That 99 is on fire. I think he's going to easily get second place here. I think Miku's not going to give it up so easily. The three fighting back. But Upforce hangs in there for second. All the while, Iris and Willie Stroker battle for fifth. Oh shit. Upforce gets second place. Iris might try to pass Willie Stroker down into the jump here. Don't do anything too risky, boys. Wide Putin hangs on as Willie Stroker's battle gets a lot more strenuous on the number 61 car. Look at Upforce hounding down Pavilion for the lead. You could just see how much pressure the 99 is putting on right now. It is real. Going into the jump, I'm not sure if they're going to be able to get there in time. I think Upforce will make the jump stick, though. As Stroker falling to 7th right now. That 61 is not looking so hot. It's just to hang on for 2 more laps. As there's a problem with the 15 of Curbio. He is not looking so hot. He's just waiting for it all to be over right now. Upforce, still green. Howard Pavilion trying to chase down victory before Upforce can take it from him. The top two are just going so off right now. It is unreal. Just leaving Miku and Razor in the dust. Big jump for Pavilion. Makes it stick. 7th, 8th. Look at this. Billy Mays and Wide Putin are both side by side. I think Billy Mays gets a spot coming to the white flag. Here we go. One more time around. Can Billy Mays hang on for the main? Oh, problems for Miku. But 3 is having an issue and is not going to make it. Miku Nakano chokes at the final hour. Unfortunate break for the 3 team. That leaves Razor for 3rd. Pavilion with a clear lead. Leading over Upforce, Razor. Iris now 4th. Bus 5th. Stroker 6th. Mays in 7th, and that puts Wide Putin back in control. Into the main. Checkered flag goes to Howard Pavilion. And Wide Putin gets the 11th hour superpower to make the main event. Caution is out. I think that's for the 3 car stalled on track. As Curbio finishes the race. I think that's all good. Completed here. Oh, what the hell? Race control apparently bopped Joey Ogon for something. So Ogon being scored 22nd place. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. What matters is that the top 8 get in. Everyone else is, well, can't say I didn't try. But in the end, got our 28. See you then.